Hi, I'm Shane Sullivan and we're joined here today by our salesperson Ben Arrowsmith. Ben, welcome. We're here from Cookies Lounge in North Stratford of the Bakehouse Quarter, and we'll talk to you about how September has been, and it has been an incredible month, and in particular again the auction clearance rates. Those clearance rates are up to an all-time high of 88.4%. So Ben, talk to us a little bit about your core markets that you look after, and if you're seeing the same trends that we are seeing in Concord and throughout the Sydney market.
Well, look, I concentrate on suburbs surrounding our core market, which is Concord. Look, they're getting the same type of results across the board as other suburbs in Sydney, with high clearance rates and big numbers of buyers through open for inspection.
Terrific. So Ben, within those markets you've just mentioned, are they predominantly more auction or private treaty?
In the past, they've been predominantly more private treaty sales, but we are trying to change the culture of the areas and to actually bring in more auctions.
Okay, so let's speak about that. In terms of the auctions, are you finding that the buyers are responding better to an auction?
Gone are the days now that people are refusing to go to auction. They're saying, I don't like the process. Everyone's well versed in it and they aren't afraid of it, I suppose. Since we've introduced it, we've had great results at auction and people are coming out in record numbers.
So Ben, we've mentioned that we've had a very busy September in terms of sales. Are there a few that sort of stand out to you in terms of what you think were excellent sales?
Yeah, there are two sales in particular. One being at 8 of 52 Corelli Avenue, which sold for $350,000, which was $30,000 above the owner's expectations, and we had 6 registered bidders. The other one being at 62 of 1 Brown Street, Ashfield. Now that sold for $483,000, which was $60,000 above the reserve and $50,000 above the record price for the block. Now the reason that I picked those two is not because they sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars above reserve or they were multi-million dollar properties. It's just the emotion that was behind it, with both vendors getting a great result.
In terms of sales that have impressed me throughout September, 73 of 1 Bayside Terrace in Cabarita was an outstanding sale. We had 11 contracts issued with 7 registered buyers on the day. That sold for $1,067,000, which was $47,000 above the owner's expectations. So Ben, we are now full swing into spring market. What do you see coming in the next couple of months?
Well, look, we are into spring. It's always a busy time for real estate. The last couple of weeks have just shown, with 850 auctions on over the last weekend, it's just shown that the market is in full boom. I can only see that happening in the next couple of weeks. We're 85 days out from Christmas, so if you are looking to put your property in the market any time in the next couple of months, you'd have to start talking to us now.
So really, they'd have to be sort of speaking to us in the next week or two to be sold by Christmas and settling sometime in the new year?
That's exactly right. And look, the market is extremely hot right now and it's a perfect time, and if you do want to sell before Christmas, the next couple of weeks are very crucial.
Thank you for watching our most recent market update. We'd also like to thank Cookies here in North Stratford for having us as well. If you'd like to speak more in depth about the market, we're more than happy to speak to you, and you can contact our office, and you can also like us on Facebook to keep most up to date.